Another recording failed. I got the flag on my bike. It's like attached to this. And we're back again with another moto vlog. Bicycle vlog, whatever you want to call it. And I'm reaching max recording time apparently. I think it's because I have too much videos. So I might have to delete some things off my channel. So I have a very special question for someone. Smile Dog 21. Are you? No, it's just a stupid question. I'm not being like really serious. But for the last few comments, I got this like vibe from you. And stupid question. Not trying to be super serious. Are you trying to flirt with me? Or try to like live chat or date me online? Because I'm not saying you shouldn't. It's perfectly fine. Just, I play Roblox. And let me warn you, Roblox is basically a dating simulator right now. You meet these boys and girls, just hook up. Instantly, like that. So, I just dabbed. It's a stupid question, but are you trying to? Just leave in the comments below, yes or no. And, because for the last few comments, I've been getting this vibe from you. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to say you shouldn't do this. But, I've just been getting this kind of like dating vibe from you. And that's completely okay. I really don't care. I go on and then move on in my life, so like say yes or no and then leave your age down below. 'Cause I'm 10 and I'm making YouTube videos. And they turn out like this. I need a mic so my voice is better. So you can hear my actual voice. But I'm at 2 minutes. Sorry for the short video. But as always, guys, love you. Keep up the sport. And peace. Love you all. Bye.